Okay, so let's continue with animating our objects. This is just for tutorial's sake. I know we don't have a road yet. I'm gonna put my camera somewhere here. Or somewhere here. Okay. Now, we're gonna double click here. See, at a car. Let's just pretend we already have a road. And same thing, we're gonna put it here. Same thing like we did with Des Moines. We're gonna rotate it. There. Alright. Now, to animate it, click movie. So we're just gonna go back. Okay. We're gonna click here and record. So gonna go back. Where's our car? All right. Right there. You know what? Let's just on the camera here. All right, somewhere like that. Now I'm gonna take a photo or add camera keyframe. Something like that. And go down. So I guess if you have a videography background, it kind of helps where you want to put the camera. If not, it's okay. And like that. Now let's watch it. I'm going to click here. Let's watch the camera angle. Okay, if you're satisfied, just click save. And we're going to click on effects, move, click edit. And again, this is the starting position right here. And we want to put it in position. Oops, click end position. I'm going to click here. Wait a minute. End position. Hello. I don't know why it did that, but so I click here to make it move. And okay. Wait, okay, let's see what happens. And there you go. Okay, so, let's see. Let's start from the beginning. Here you go. And that's it for this video. But wait, if you're gonna render, okay, for example, if you click render, it's going to render the entire clip. This is first clip, second clip, third clip. It's gonna render the entire thing. But for example, you just want to render this clip right here. You click here. You're just gonna render this part right here. Then, if you want to render just this one, again, click here. Now, let's see. This is 8 seconds over here, and I click here. Now this is 9 seconds, so 8 plus 9 equals 17. Let's see how long it takes to render 17 seconds. So again, quality high HD, test, and there you go. It takes like, let's say, an hour. 1 hour to render 17 seconds. So you need a supercomputer. Okay, and that's it for this video.